Well, hi. I don't know if you can see me. Hi. Well, this camera is kind of stupid, so I can't, you can't see me and see the cat at the same time, but this is Mac. As you can see, his fur is all screwed up because, oh, yeah, it's okay. Because I've been shaving him, here and there, and I'm gonna try to finish now. So what do I have here? I have Andy's ACG Super, and this is a ceramic blade for cats. I have here cool off spray because the blade gets very hot. Plastic bag to get the fur. This to get the fur too. And of course, this a rubber glove to get the fur out of me. So, here we go. Let's see how he does. You just want to be very calm and matter of fact, because it's not something that kitties like it. So it's almost like combing. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. Sorry about that. So it's almost like combing your kitty, you make sure to pull the skin tight because they have very fine skin. You could ask me why don't I take Mac to a professional groomer. Mac is not a normal kitty. He comes from abuse, and he doesn't trust anybody. He actually bites anybody who gets close to him. So it's either me or nobody doing this. And I just try to, while he's calm and good, just as though I was petting him, So take what I already took out from me so I can see it better what's missing, and here we go. It's really not hard. As long as you have a kitty that's not untouchable, you can do this at home with a good set of clippers. Now Mac, it's okay. You give kisses. You give kisses and you give hugs. And then here is where it gets worse. I know, baby. His belly is where he doesn't like it. Yeah. But he's so good. Mac has CKD, Hyper T, and he has a, it's okay, baby, it's okay, mommy's here. Oh, I know. And he has a hernia, too, and he has arthritis because some idiot declawed him. And then not only declawed him, but abandoned him to fend for himself. I know. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. It's okay. And you take a break. And you give kisses. It's okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, mommy, okay. Let's do this. And you try to always check the blade because it does get hot. So you know, just put cooling spray in there. So you need to make sure that you don't burn these babies. And you need to make sure that his skin is safe, you know. Their skin is very, very, very thin. This is not going to be a beauty job at all. This is just to get rid of the... It's okay, baby. This is just to get rid of his mats and making him more comfortable. So it's not at all a professional grooming job, huh, baby? No, it's not. No? Let's see if we can do this here, like this. You know, however he is comfortable on your lap, take advantage of it and do it. If he's comfortable like this, with you holding like this, that's okay. If he's comfortable sitting down, then sit him down. Just let him be comfortable. Yes, I know. It's okay, baby. Mommy's helping you. Mommy's helping you. I know. Let's see this belly. It's just missing the belly. It's just missing the belly. Okay. The belly, we hold it like this and we try to do it as quick as we can. Yes, I know. I know, baby. He has a few mats here, but I want to take it off. There we go. Okay, so belly's pretty much done. I know. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, baby. Oh, yeah. I know. And there is just a little bit more here. Alright. The thing with mats is that sometimes they're close to the skin and it's hard to take them. I know. And he's done. He's done. He's done. You're done. You're done. You're done. You're done. You're done. You're done. Yeah. You're done. But there you go. There is how I groomed them. Perfect. Bye-bye.